To log into the application, enter your username and password, then click the Login button. On the home page, you'll see a basic overview of all tickets you've created, along with their current statuses. To create a new ticket, click the New Issue button. Enter a title for your request. You can then add more details in the description field. Specify the location if needed. You can also change the request category or adjust its priority. Additionally, the client has the option to enter a desired resolution date for the ticket. Or specify the expected costs. You can also upload supporting documents. Click the Create button to submit your request. The newly created ticket will contain all the information you entered, including the requested dates and any estimated costs. The status of the request now changes. It is passed on to the service organization, which can submit a price quote, reject the request, ask follow-up questions, or take over the resolution process. The blue and green buttons represent one-step actions. Blue buttons require you to enter a mandatory message, for example, to send a question to the requester. Once submitted, the ticket status is updated. The client responds, and the request moves back into the resolution phase. Aside from status changes, all communication with the client is visible in the main tab of the ticket. You can always add a new comment or attach another document. Hovering over the icon will reveal the uploaded document. You can take over the request for resolution and enter an expected resolution date. This is a required field. This date will be visible to the client once the ticket status updates. After resolving the issue, you can optionally enter the actual costs. The request will then wait for client approval. At the same time, the service organization can submit a complaint if needed. Notifications are sent out for all ticket status changes, so the client is kept informed. You can continue editing the ticket until the client formally accepts it. After acceptance, additional options become available to the service organization, such as indicating how the issue was resolved. Both open and closed tickets allow for the creation of sub-requests. Data from the original request can be copied and adjusted as needed. All linked requests are visible in the Tree View tab. Email communication is also tracked. Every email sent is logged in the ticket's detail view. Any entered costs are available in the Invoicing tab. In the History tab, you can see exactly who clicked what and when. Along with how the request progressed. The left-hand menu provides an overview of all requests, regardless of who created them. All overviews are clickable. Above the overview section, you can generate reports, which can be exported in your preferred format for further processing. At any time, you can return to view or manage a specific request. In the case of a complaint, notifications can be linked to any status or any transition within the application. Notification settings can be customized individually for each queue and each user. Notifications are delivered by email and contain basic information about the request, along with a direct link to the detailed view of the specific request.